I'm Angela Wamboy, and these are the stories making headlines on Capital TV. Suspended Transport Cabinet Secretary Michael Kamau becomes the first top official in President Uhuru Kenyatta's government to face trial on graft charges. Kamau was arraigned before Senior Principal Magistrate Lawrence Mugambi on Thursday. He is accused of willful failure to comply with guidelines on the use of public funds, failing to comply with procurement regulations, abuse of office, as well as engaging in a project without prior planning. He has been freed on a 3 million shillings bond with the surety of the same amount or an alternative cash bail of 1 million shillings until June 16th, when the case will be mentioned. The International Criminal Court is on Friday expected to hold a status conference on the trial against Deputy President William Ruto and journalist Joshua Absang. The status conference will be held at a time when ICC prosecutor Fatou Bensouda has said she does not have incriminating evidence against the two. The conference is going to shape the next steps of the case against Ruto and Sang, which will include the prosecutor's closing remarks. It will then give the defense teams a chance to file a motion of no to case answer. 3 suspects are in police custody after they were linked to the interception and seizure of a consignment of ivory in Thailand. 8 other suspects are also being held in police custody to help with the ongoing investigations being carried out by a multi-agency team, which includes Interpol, to unravel all those behind the consignment. The National Police Service spokesperson, George Kinoti, says investigations have also been extended to Singapore, Thailand, and Tanzania to tighten the case against the culprits. He says a formal charge has since been filed against the 3 main suspects, accused of dealing with wildlife trophies and engaging in organized criminal activity contrary to the Constitution. Kinoti says already a warrant of arrest has been issued against 2 suspects who are on the run. In the international front, more than 70 people were killed in a petrol station fire in Ghana's capital in Accra as they sought refuge from the heavy rains. The fire broke out at the filling station in the Kwame Nkrumah Circle area of the city late on Wednesday night and is thought to have spread from a nearby residence. Ghana's President John Dramani Mahama described the loss of life as catastrophic and almost unprecedented as he toured the scene of the disaster on Thursday morning. And in the world of business, Kenyan manufacturers have welcomed the extension of the African Growth and Opportunity Act by the U.S. Senate. The Kenya Association of Manufacturers says the extension of AGOA comes as a sigh of relief to manufacturers and industrialists as they eagerly await for the U.S. president to assent the legislation into law. And now we take a look at the financial report. Welcome back. And now taking a look at the world of sports, skipper Victor Wanyama has blasted the Football Kenya Federation for failing to secure a training venue for the Harambee Stars. Wanyama, who reported to camp on Thursday, said it was embarrassing that the Federation could allow them to train at Rainsar Karangware's World Hope Center. Harambee Stars are training for Africa Cup of Nations qualifiers next week against Congo-Brazzaville. And that's a wrap-up of the day's top stories. I've been your host, Angela Wamboy. For more on these and other stories, log on to www.capitalfm.co.ke/TV.